visit depalm.com/airport-transfers. At the home screen, click on Book Now. Click on Book on the Shared Round-Trip Transportation option. Select your arrival date. The return trip will be booked later. Choose the amount of passengers you are traveling with. Choose your arrival airport, your hotel drop-off, your arrival airline and flight arrival time. Don't forget to fill in your flight number. If you are traveling with someone that has a wheelchair, please select the option. Click on Add to Cart to fill in the payment information. Fill in your contact and your payment information. After you are done, click Complete Pay. You will receive an email with your return transfer booking codes. You will use these to book your return transfer. Click on the link below to book the return transfer. Select your return date and click on Return Trip Shared Transportation below. Choose the amount of passengers you are traveling with. Enter the booking codes you received in your email. Accept the terms and conditions below. Choose your hotel pickup. Set your route and choose your arrival airport. Choose your departure airline. Enter your flight number, select your departure time. Choose your pickup time. Remember to book your departure pickup time 3 hours before your scheduled departure and click on Add to Cart. Enter your contact information and click on Complete Order. Now you're ready. Your return trip has now been booked. Safe flight and see you soon.